Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Knowledge Ki Duniya. Today I am talking about basic tips that will definitely increase your reading skills. So let's start the video. Tip number 1. Optimize your reading environment. Tip number 2. Highlight the important passages. Tip number 3. Scan and survey the whole text first. Tip number 4. Once you start, don't stop. Tip number 5. Knowing the background information. Tip number 6. Begin with the headings. Tip number 7. Identifying the aim of the reading. Tip number 8. Use your index finger as a hand pacing tool. Tip number 9. Underline both the words you don't understand and any new grammar structure found in the text. Tip number 10. Read group of words at a glance. Start with 2 words, then 3, 4, 5. Tip number 11. After reading several paragraphs, try to think of the ideas in an appropriate order. Tip number 12. Reading in 50 minutes, block with break in between. Tip number 13. Define any words you don't know and then read the paragraph again. Tip number 14. Read things over again to get the meaning. It is normal to need to do that. Tip number 15. Read aloud. Tip number 16. Create mind maps to recall ideas. Tip number 17. Make connections. Tip number 18. Use context clues. Tip number 19. Read in portions. Tip number 20, the last one. Enlarge, summarize and synthesize.